Welcome back, everybody, to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special with another game for the NES. And this time around, we're going to play the Family Feud. Let's see how we do. Nope. Apparently, we're not going to do that good. That's better. The Williams family are my opponents today. We'll get ready for the first round. And out of 100 people surveyed, we have the top 5 answers on the board. Try to find the most popular answers to this question. Name something that ties you down. Children. That's the number 1 answer. We'll play. I'd say work. Marriage. Pets. And girlfriend. Okay. Let's go ahead and play round number 2. Out of 100 people surveyed this round, we have the top 10 answers on the board. Try to find the most popular answer to this question. Name some famous brothers, real or fictional. Smothers. That's the number 1 answer. We'll play. The Marx Brothers. The Wright Brothers. The Smith Brothers. The Brothers Grimm. The Blues Brothers. The James Brothers. The Kennedy Brothers. Ringling Brothers. Statler Brothers. Got it. Alright, so we're up there now with 180. The Williams family doesn't have anything. But now we're going to double the point values. And out of 100 people surveyed, we have the top 4 answers on the board to this question. Which European city would you most like to visit? Paris. Let's see Paris. We'll play. I'm going to go with London. Rome. Venice. And we're going to Fast Money for $5,000. Let's see if we can win it. Okay. Name something couples fight about even after the divorce. Children. Name something animals do when they're angry. They bite. At what hour are you most energetic? Probably 5. How many minutes does it take you to get up after the alarm goes off? 10. Names of the used car salesman lie about. The price. Need 67. Something couples fight about even after the divorce. They fight about money. Something animals do when they're angry. They growl. What hour are you most energetic? 12. How many minutes does it take you to get up after the alarm goes off? 5. Something used car salesman lie about. The mileage. We got it. So we won $5,000. I'll see you all for another game right after this break.